আসসালামু আলাইকুম। এবিসি লার্নিং এয়ারে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমাদের আজকের আলোচ্য বিষয় হাউ টু ওপেন এ ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট। আজকের এই আলোচ্য সূচির মাধ্যমে আমরা জানতে পারবো কিভাবে একটি ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলতে হয় এবং পাশাপাশি একটি ডেবিট কার্ড বা ক্রেডিট কার্ডেরও আবেদন করা যায়। আমাদের ভিডিওটি শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন। আশা করি আপনারাও সে বিষয়ে জানতে পারবেন এবং পুরো প্রক্রিয়াটাই সম্পন্ন করতে পারবেন ইংরেজিতে কথা বলার মাধ্যমে। তাহলে চলুন শুরু করা যাক।
Hello everyone. Having a bank account can be a great tool for managing your personal finances. Account statements can help you determine how and where you are spending your money and put you on track for a reasonable savings plan. Additionally, personal savings accounts often pay interest, which basically earns you free money. Bank account plays an important role to manage your financial balance. It's important to how to open a bank account. This conversation will help you to learn how to talk with a bank clerk for opening a bank account. So, let's learn it with ABC Learning Yard.
Hi, good morning, welcome to the ABC Bank. How can I help you?
Hello, good morning. I would like to open a bank account.
Sure thing. What kind of account would you like to open? A savings account or a checking account?
What's the difference?
A checking account is designed to use for everyday transactions. Yet, the money in a savings account is meant to stay in the account and earn interest over time.
I see. Actually, I want to apply for a credit card. That's why I need an account.
Okay then, you probably want a checking account.
Well, thank you. I'd like that.
Sure, we will have you fill out an application form, please.
No problem.
How much of a credit limit were you looking for?
I would like a $10,000 spending limit.
Alright, we will see what we can do. We might be able to get you one of our gold cards with a $10,000 spending limit.
Wonderful. Will I also collect points when I use the card?
Sure, with our gold card you will get 10 reward points for every dollar spent.
Perfect. I have filled out the form. Do you need anything else?
You just need to deposit a minimum of $250 into your new checking account.
Very well, here you are.
Thank you, your account is set up now and your credit card will be mailed to your address within 5 to 10 business days.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.